Hey YouTube, it's Jaime. Now the camera just sees it dark, but I'm sorry I skip it. The phone, I pressed the thing that makes me go back to the phone home page. Here, just get these two, stick them right each of those Androids in. Oh, wait a minute, this one's not correct. Like that. Now, as you can see, the camera can only see it dark now. It's fun when you can see it cool blue, but there are more. And get these two Baldroid arms. Stick them stick them on top each like that. Like that. Get this blue stud and this black one. The blue hook with these two things are going horizontally. Well, this blue one is marked up with black. I don't know why, but 1 second. Just get him. Just stick them both right on things like that. There have it, your brick. Now what's left is a plasma rifle. Here, get these two. Get two of these blue studs. Stick them on the bottom like that. Get this Star Wars lightsaber bar. Get it like that. So it looks like a plasma pistol. Stick the other arm. There you have it. And the brick's holding. And the brick's holding. And there you have it. Your brute. Well, thanks for watching.